In this session, let us learn about Python math module. Python as a built-in module that you can use for mathematical tasks. The math module has a set of methods and constants. Math.echoes method returns the arc cosine of a number. Math.echoes method returns the inverse hyperbolic cosine of a number. Math.assign method returns the arc sine of a number. Math.asnh method returns the inverse hyperbolic sines of a number. Math.atan method returns the arc tangent of a number in radians. Math.atan2 method returns the arc tangent of y by x in radians. Math.atanh method returns the inverse hyperbolic tangent of a number. Math.sale method rounds a number up to the nearest integer. Math.comb method returns the number of ways to choose k items from n items without repetitions and order. Math.copySign method returns a float consisting of the value of the first parameter and the sign of the second parameter. Math.cos method returns a cosine of a number. Math.cosh method returns the hyperbolic cosine of a number. Math.degrees method converts an angle from radians to degrees. Math.dist method returns the Euclidean distance between 2 points P and Q, where P and Q are the coordinates of that point. Math.erf method returns the error function of a number. Math.erfc method returns the complementary error function of a number. Math.exp method returns a e raised to the power of x. Math.xpm1 method returns ex minus 1. Math.fabs method returns the absolute value of a number. Math.factorial method returns the factorial of a number. Math.floor method rounds a number down to the nearest integer. Math.fmode method returns the remainder of x by y. Math.freexp method returns the mantissa and the exponent of a specified number. Math.fsum method returns the sum of all items in any iterable tuples, arrays, lists, etc. Math.gamma method returns the gamma function at x. Math.gcd method returns the greatest common divisor of two integers. Math.hyport method returns the Euclidean norm. Math.isClose method checks whether two values are close to each other or not. Math.isFinite method checks whether a number is finite or not. Math.isInt method checks whether a number is infinite or not. Math.isNaN method checks whether the value is nan not a number or not. Math.isQrt method rounds a square root number downwards to the nearest integer. Math.ldxp method returns the inverse of the math.frexp method, which is x into 2 into of the given number into and I. Math.leggamma method returns the log gamma value of x. Math.log method returns the natural logarithm of a number or the logarithm of number to base. Math.log10 method returns the base 10 logarithm of x. Math.log1p method returns the natural logarithm of 1 plus x. Math.log2 method returns the base 2 logarithm of x. Math.per method returns the number of ways to choose k items from n items with order and without repetition. Math.po method returns the value of x to the power of y. Math.prod method returns the product of all elements in an iterable. Math.radians method converts a degree value into radians. Math.remainder method returns the closest value that can make the numerator completely divisible by the denominator. Math.sin method returns the sin of a number. Math.sinh method returns the hyperbolic sin of a number. Math.sqrt method returns the square root of a number. Math.tan method returns the tangent of a number. Math.tanh method returns the hyperbolic tangent of a number. Math.trunc method returns the truncated integer parts of a number. Math constants. Math constant returns Euler's numbers 2.7182 vice versa. Math.inf method returns a floating point positive infinity. Math.nan method returns a floating point nan not a number value method. Math.py returns pi 3.1415 so on. Math.tau returns tau 6.2831 so on. Okay friends, this is the end of part 12 Python math method. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python CMath module. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.